Understanding fight off in English. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we will dive deep into the phrase fight off. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to use it confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. When we think of the words fight and off separately, we might imagine a physical combat and something being kept away, respectively. Fight off combines these ideas. In its most literal sense, it means to fend off an attacker or prevent something from harming you. Example: the young lion had to fight off hyenas to protect its food. While fight off can refer to a physical altercation, it's often used metaphorically in English. Here are some common situations. 1. Illness. When someone is trying to prevent an illness or recover from it, we can say they are fighting it off. Example: I feel a cold coming on, but I'm trying to fight it off with lots of rest and vitamin C too. Emotions, feelings. This phrase can describe resisting an emotion or urge. Example: he had to fight off the urge to laugh during the serious meeting. 3. Competition. When someone is dealing with competition or opposition, especially in the world of sports or business. Example: the team managed to fight off their opponents and secure the championship. Understanding synonyms can provide clarity. Some synonyms for fight off include ward off, fend off, repel, resist. However, note that while these can be similar in meaning, context is vital. For instance, resist might be more appropriate when talking about emotions, while repel could be used when discussing invaders or attackers. When using fight off, 1. Context matters. Always consider the situation. For illnesses or emotions, fighting off is very suitable, but for casual disagreements, it might sound too strong. 2. Pair with appropriate subjects. Inanimate objects usually don't fight off. For example, a wall doesn't fight off wind. Instead, it blocks or shields from wind. 3. Adaptable. Remember that fight off is versatile. It can be used in past, present, and future scenarios. Example: she fought off her fears and delivered an excellent presentation. Past. And that wraps up our exploration of fight off. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how to use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and remember, every phrase you learn makes you a more fluent speaker. Until next time, happy learning!